Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make LinkedIn account private. So for this you have to go first on your LinkedIn account. After that go for your profile. No, okay, sorry. You have to just go for settings and privacy. Then go for visibility. And you can see in this second option, edit your public profile. Just you need to click on it, then scroll down and you can see your profile public on visibility. So you have to just turn it off and successfully your profile have private. Okay, so this is how you can make LinkedIn account private. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.